Behind me is a home by one of our top builders that we're gonna get into. This is a 3-bedroom, 3,000 square foot house. And the best part is it's in Allen, Texas, which Consumer Affairs just named the #1 place to move to in all of Texas. Now, let's get into this bad boy and check it out. All right, first thing first, 8-foot solid wood door. I like the stain on this. And you come in, this is a single story home. If you love this floor plan, you can get it pretty much identical in a 2-story design with 2 media rooms.
Yeah, it is a nice floor plan.
Yeah. All right, so off to your right of your home is your home office. Love the high ceilings. This thing comes with these 2-inch blinds. I would love for this home to really pop with those shutters. Now this thing is, like I said, it's about 3,000 square feet and it's priced just over $1 million. Now, I do have some warning, and that is over here, the breaker is not working on this, for this room. So, but this is the front of the house, secondary bedroom, one of the 3, and it does have its own ensuite, but it may be difficult to see in here.
Let's see. We'll try it.
We'll try.
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad. I can always break out my flashlight on my phone.
No, we're good.
Okay.
We are good. And then the only thing you may not be able to see too much, yeah, you can see that okay.
All right. Well, good.
All right.
Well, who needs to spend the 5 minutes turning on all these lights?
Yeah, well, it's much nicer to see the lights.
Oh,
that's
okay.
for sure.
Well, then never mind. All right. Here is your media room. Again, good size, wired for your, what is it, 1, 2, so it's 5-point surround sound, which is nice. Really good size.
And since it's a single story, it's, you know, on the first
On the
floor,
first-
which you
Everybody
love.
wants that downstairs media, well, here you go. Again, this floor plan is identical to, the only difference, you can get a 2-story version and the stairs go up right here.
Yep.
Here is your powder. Look how big this powder bath is. All right, so let's go into the heart of the home. Patrice, what do you think about this layout?
Hey,
We've sold this several times.
We have, and I've always loved it. I definitely, you know us, we're beam people and we're fireplace people, so.
Yes. So this checks off some boxes right here.
It
I
does.
do wish that they carried this all the way up.
I love all the windows in here, and this room's just big and open.
I mean, they could have done it all the way and then all the way up. It doesn't cost that much more. That's
Yeah.
what's a little frustrating. But just so you know how the setup works, this is kind of your dining area, traditionally.
In
so
front
your
of the
fireplace
fireplace.
is kind of in front of your dining room. Mm-hmm. And then Patrice is in a niche right now, which a lot of people build out and with cabinets and
I'll turn around and
countertop.
show that in a sec.
And then right here would be your family area. So this is kind of where your TV would go.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a big space too. You could fit a lot of
it's
furniture
giant
in here.
when you're looking.
I'm gonna turn this around real quick and show that niche I was just in, right there. Okay.
And we might as well get into this kitchen right now.
What do you think of that like seafoam green island?
What do I think about it?
Yes.
Well, it's not my choice. I wouldn't do that, but again, I'm pretty boring when it comes to my own personal stuff. I love seeing it in the model homes and that sort of thing. But then when it comes to me actually laying out money, I'm like, oh, well, why don't we go with the white?
I don't hate it. It's kind of pretty.
No, it definitely is.
You know?
See, this is what I love about Southgate. I mean, it's got everything that you want. It's got nice 6-burner KitchenAid appliances. I mean, everything's just got that elegant quality about it.
Lots of cabinets too. Look at, they go all the way up. I'm gonna turn around so that way you can see they put the glass in there with the lights, which I always love. And then the double ovens. You've got that little area. I mean, you have plenty of space to put things in cabinets. And then here is the snack closet, good size. And then I'm coming back at you, Andy.
All right. Over here, you've got your laundry area.
Yeah, I like that with the spot to do your folding and whatnot, and then all the cabinets for your stuff. It's great.
And then on this other side, that's your garage. On the other side is your other secondary bedroom. Now you have the lights on, you can kind of see it's very similar. You've got a walk-in closet over here, which is really good size.
That's good size.
And then you've got its own ensuite with a bathtub and shower.
Nice.
Do you want to hit the primary or do you want to hit the backyard first?
Let's hit the primary first.
Okay.
I'm gonna make you wait.
Okie dokie. Patrice is always making me wait for the patio.
That's right.
One of the things that I love about Southgate Homes is their car wash showers, their en-suites, and this is no exception. Here we are in the bedroom, big, oversized. It feels like it's extended by a couple feet.
Yeah, and I love that they did the tray ceiling. That's nice. That's a great room.
All solid core doors, I forgot to mention that. Here's the closet.
Decent sized. I'm gonna swing around. We've got some shelves.
So this would be my thing. You asked me about that sea foam.
Yeah.
I was okay, let's put it on paint.
So
Where I can, you know, I'm not so
bold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish I was. This is one funny thing to me, because
Yeah.
you've got your seating here to put your makeup on,
And then you have cabinets.
and then you got cabinets.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense to me at all.
Okay. And then you've got nice deep soaker, and then look at this, babe. Come on, the shower. You got his and hers and the rain head. You fight over the rain head. I mean, this is something else. Let's go into the backyard and check out the patio. Patio is decently sized. It's already plumb for your TV. I don't see a gas stub.
There's not one.
All right, well, smoker it is.
You got a decent sized backyard though.
Backyard's decent.
We'll use
What
the
you'll
word
notice
decent.
is you'll notice kind of it has a French drain in the middle of it.
Yeah.
People ask us sometimes what that is. That's what that is. The move, we've had lots of clients move into the Allen area and they absolutely love it. So if that is you, make sure you hit that dream home form. If you have any plans whatsoever in 2026 of moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Patrice and I would love the opportunity to earn that business. We put out a video every single day at 5 p.m. Central Time, showing you not only the hottest deals going on, but try to educate you along the way. And if that is of interest to you, hit that subscribe button, that bell, so you're alerted every time we do a video. And again, thank you all for all your support. Comment below, let us know what you love about this house and maybe what you dislike. And then until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.